Hello and welcome to another episode of Care Connection. Today, we will be discussing how substance use can affect brain development. Parts of the brain develop at different rates. The first parts to develop control physical activity, emotion, and motivation, while the part of the brain responsible for impulse control, reason, and judgment doesn't develop until later on. This explains in part why teens might have difficulty controlling emotions, increased curiosity, and impulsive behavior. During this time, the brain also finds ways to work more effectively, such as by eliminating unnecessary connections in the brain. Experiences like eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep, and developing healthy relationships all work to build strong connections in the brain. Meanwhile, excessive screen time, exposure to violence, eating junk food, and using drugs and alcohol can damage those connections. Substance use also affects the brain's natural reward system, increasing reward-related chemicals in our brain. These same chemicals are released by our healthy behaviors, like eating and exercising, and it's these chemicals that tell our brain that we need these behaviors in order to survive. Since alcohol and other drugs release the same message, but in even higher amounts, substance use can actually override the natural and healthy messages in our brain, making our bodies think that substance use is more important than eating healthy, getting enough sleep, or even maintaining healthy relationships. Health effects of substance use include impaired brain development, memory problems, difficulty concentrating, reduced inhibitions, and increased likelihood of serious accidents. In the long term, it can lead to heart disease, high blood pressure, sleep disorders, and cancer, as well as increasing the risk of overdose and death. Substance use can also interfere with future goals and relationships. Substance use and its negative consequences are completely preventable though, because we can influence some of our experiences, like eating an apple instead of chips, putting away our phone to get a few more extra hours of sleep, and choosing not to use drugs and alcohol, especially during brain development. If you are a young person that has questions or concerns, please talk to a trusted adult. If you are a caregiver, we encourage you to talk early and to talk often with the young people in your life about the impact of substance use, and to set clear rules and expectations for your family. For more information, you can visit our website at www.townofwestspringfield.org/care. You can also find us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Care Connection, and remember, collaborative accountability reaches everyone.